This is the first time it has flown at an international air show. Right here at London. We beat Paris by a week. That is about the weirdest looking plane. It looks like a boomerang. I gotta tell you, don't go away. I gotta tell you that, no, now don't do that, you goat. Today is General John Bomber here this weekend, and today is it. Boy, that is some beastly looking airplane. By the way, I just discovered, I didn't realize this. This thing is flown by a crew of two. Two. I thought they had a lot more people than that. I thought they had like 4 or 5 or 6 people. 2. That's it. Something like a billion or so of copy. They're only going to build 20 of these, but apparently if you got to have something to get in so nobody can see it and hit you and get out when nobody can see it, this is what they're going to use. This is supposed to be the ultimate in stealth strategic bomber technology. Look at that. There it goes. How's that?